Hey everyone, out for a little afternoon run here downtown Austin, Texas. I saw an important question on Facebook about hiring salespeople. Should I hire a salesperson, and what should they be paid? So let's talk about the first one. Should you hire a salesperson? Well, the answer is yes, you should. However, if you're just starting out, I think it's really important that the owner sells first. And I know some of you are thinking like, hey, I'm not really a salesy kind of a person. And I get that. I'm probably way more of a relationship person than I am a salesy person. But no one's going to be as passionate about what you do more than you. So get out there, tell your story, be passionate about signs, be passionate about solving problems, be passionate about taking care of people, and people will want to do business with you. So start selling if you're an owner. Okay, so let's talk about hiring a salesperson. Should you just hire a person that has sign sales experience? And my answer is no. So if you can find a sign salesperson, I think that's great. Snag them up. But don't feel like you got to be locked into just finding a sign salesperson. Look for people in related industries. I mean, print industry is great, obviously, and there's a lot of, that's a lot of crossover there. But like construction or somebody that's really dealt with a lot of customer service, customer support, I mean, look for somebody that's comfortable speaking to people that also embraces your values, right? So if you're a customer first, customer focused, customer centered, driven person, that's going to be the culture of your company. Make sure you have a salesperson. Yes, they need to be hungry for money, but make sure that they're passionate about taking care of people. And then that'll be a successful hire. Okay, so let's talk about compensation. This is just what we did. I'm not saying that this is the exact way you should do it. Talk to your accountant, talk to some other folks that you know that are in maybe different types of businesses, and ask how they compensate their salespeople. What we did is we paid 10% on cost of goods sold. So what does that mean? $100 in materials, $100 in labor, $20 commission. We also allowed our sales reps to add additional commission. We called it a spiff. They had to get permission from the owner, me, sign off on it. They couldn't abuse it. And if they were able to sell it for a higher price, we split that spiff with the house and the sales rep. So we're careful about that. We didn't do it all the time, but a lot of times salespeople, they have these relationships with customers. They have a better understanding sometimes through conversation about budget. And so they can put a little bit extra on jobs and still sell it without jeopardizing the sale. Besides commissions, we also compensated our sales reps by giving them a base. So we paid a $1,500 base, could be higher these days. This was several years back, for the first 3 months. Then it went down to 1,000 as they got ramped up in sales. We did pay for phone. We paid for gas if they were traveling outside the immediate area, like say, more than an hour drive outside the city. We would just whatever the mileage was that we reimbursed on. We did pay medical insurance 100% for the sales rep. They had to pay for their dependents. We did have a IRA with a 10% matching program, and we did have PTO of 10 days. And I think it was after several years they could earn an additional days. And I forget exactly how that escalated, but that's pretty much how we compensated our sales reps. So as a recap, if you're the owner, go sell signs. Be passionate about what you do. Take good care of your customers. Secondly, go ahead and try to hire a salesperson. Look for somebody that aligns with your values. Third, just take darn good care of your customers and go sell some signs. All right, everybody, I'm going to put some notes about the commission structure that we used in this video. Also in the file section, I have a really good sales rep contract with non-disclosure agreements, non-competes, all that stuff. It's questionable whether those are enforceable, not so much in Texas, but they're a good deterrent. You don't want a sales rep coming in, figuring out how you do everything, get all your clients' information, and then take off and just go start their own sign shop. It happens, sadly. So do what you can to protect yourself. Talk to a local attorney, take the contract in the file section, see if it's something that can be amended to work in wherever you work. So, all right, guys, take care. Go sell some signs. Bye.